Nhà Hương House is the result of a renovation and extension of a family home that combines the old building with a new plot of 120 square meters, creating a total living area of 238 square meters. The project was designed to meet the needs of a family of 5 who wanted to maintain a traditional lifestyle that emphasizes togetherness. One of the main elements of the design is the transformation of the new plot into a tropical garden facing west, allowing sunlight to enter all year round. Meanwhile, the old building was reoriented so that its main spaces faced the garden on the south side, maximizing natural ventilation and lighting. Small ponds are placed in several areas of the house as natural cooling elements, creating a cooling effect while also presenting a calmer and more peaceful atmosphere. The house was designed to respond to the tropical climate with a passive approach, ensuring coolness throughout the day without relying on air conditioning. Exposed concrete provides a solid and modern character while keeping the room temperature stable, creating comfort throughout the day. Meanwhile, natural wood used on doors, windows, and furniture brings warmth and strengthens the natural impression, making the house feel warmer and more harmonious with its surroundings. The almost symmetrical T-shaped structure, with an atrium in the dining area, connects the old and new buildings. This design is not only about aesthetics, but also reflects an attempt to combine memories of the past with the needs of modern life, creating a calm, comfortable, and contemplative space. Nhà Hương House teaches that coolness and comfort do not always depend on advanced technology. With the right choice of materials and smart design strategies, a house can be cool, natural, and harmonious with its environment. What do you think? Is this house concept suitable for your dream home? Write your opinion in the comments column. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for other home design inspirations. See you in the next video.